Hey everyone! Let's dive into Orderly Network, the game changer in decentralized trading omnichain infrastructure. The problem, in the DeFi world, there's this big headache. Liquidity is all over the place. Really? For solution, enter Orderly Network. They're mixing things up with a shared order book for all the big blockchains, while keeping it all decentralized. They've got this super cool off-chain matching engine. What's awesome? Your funds stay safe and everything's transparent, unlike typical centralized exchanges. Transactions, they're gas-free and backed by Ethereum security, all thanks to LayerZero tech. User side, it feels like CeFi, smooth and familiar. But under the hood, pure DeFi magic. For the devs out there, Orderly's SDA is like a shortcut to building fancy trading tools super fast. Orderly Network is really paving the way for a new era in decentralized trading. Or jump on Orderly Network for a trading experience like no other. Catch you there.